My name is Arjun Karta. I run a photography and cinematography company called Together Studios, and we've been creating Indian wedding stories since 2008. When I first started shooting Indian weddings, I was using a DSLR, and my overall backpack used to weigh 18 kilos or more. Now you can imagine that holding that backpack and walking through a wedding and holding that entire camera system for 18 or 20 hours a day became very, very difficult. And when I first picked up a mirrorless camera, when I picked up a Fuji camera, it felt insane. It was absolutely light. I felt I could hold it with one hand, I could shoot with one hand, and it was very easy to use. So now when I take my kit into the field, it is like holding something different. It's like holding something lightweight. And this is one of the main reasons why I chose mirrorless technology over DSLRs. Why do you use an APS-C camera and not a full-frame camera? And my answer to this always is, it doesn't matter, because to me as an artist, as a photographer, what matters is, can the camera keep up with me? Can it perform in the way that I want it to? And does it have limitations? And the answer always for the T3 and the X-T4 is no. I mean, these cameras do exactly what I want. They shoot the kind of images that I want. It supports me in all sorts of extreme conditions. I've shot in the rain, I've shot in the snow, I've shot in beaches, and these cameras have never stopped. And that's what matters to me. So honestly, if you're a photographer, don't worry about things like full frames and micro four thirds and crop sensors and all of those terms that people throw at you. Take up a camera. Does it do what you want it to do? Does it feel right for you? And that's your answer. Why do you use Fuji? What is it about Fuji that makes it interesting for you? So my answer is, as an artist, the tool that I use to make pictures, that's most important. And when I first picked up this camera, it just felt right. It felt absolutely right in my hand. It felt like something that I wanted to use, and it felt like something I wanted to create my art with. But if I were to go deep into it, honestly, I would say number one, the Fuji colors. Okay, these colors are amazing straight out of the camera. It's the kind of pictures that hardly needs to be touched up. Number two, I would say these ergonomics. I mean, the fact that my shutter speed, my ISO, and my aperture are all easy to reach to. I mean, I don't need to go into menus and start looking for them. They're easy to reach, and that makes it really compelling. Number three, I would say the lens lineup that Fuji has. Some of my favorite lenses like the 16 1.4, the 56 1.2, and now the upcoming 50 1.0. I mean, these are lenses that are absolutely killer, and it's great fun to use. And a lot of people ask me, do megapixels matter? And my answer is no. I mean, I have had these images scaled up, and they've been printed in poster size, they've been printed in huge A1 sizes, and it prints perfectly. So, it's and last but obviously not the least, I think it's a really strong video camera. All the videos that you see at Together Studios are all filmed on Fujifilm cameras, and I think the fact that it's a great still camera as well as a great video camera, that makes it a very, very compelling camera to use. These difficult times of COVID and Corona, where the market is in a bad shape and most photographers are reeling under the pressure of finances, a lot of people ask me, is this the time that we should be investing in new cameras? And the answer always is yes and no. I mean, yes, if you can financially support it. No, if it's not absolutely necessary. If you're a wedding photographer and if you're looking for something in the wedding space, honestly, the X-T4 and the X-T3, I think, are very, very reasonably priced. Fujifilm has been very, very smart about pricing these cameras just right. Bodies along with these stellar lenses, I think make for great value for money. So if you're looking for something, and if you're looking for something that is very, very nicely priced, I think the Fujifilm X-T3 or the X-T4 or any of the other Fuji cameras would be a great choice.